Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Kaizer Chiefs fans went on a strike or on a protest lapha eNaturena, but they want the two current coaches to be fired and some other things abazifunayo babhale memorandum. So now, some of the fans bafuna Coach Pitso, Coach Rulani, Coach Upeni, no Coach Manqoba, right? I mean, I'm going to tell you why those coaches won't succeed. Not because they are bad coaches. Kahle vele i-Chiefs, it needs those coaches abana with those characters, strong characters. They need those type of coaches. Now, the first reason why those coaches won't succeed is because of the fans. The fans, as a Kaizer Chiefs, they are not patient. And I'm not saying Guti, yeah, they should be patient. But like Chiefs corner at the moment, in terms of their players and their structure, in terms of playing structure and their signing structure, they are in the wrong position. They can't compete for a league season in, season out. No, that's a move. So for them to compete, they need to change those things. And the Kaizer Chiefs fans, they are not patient. To have a proper structure, proper players, you need a coach that will stay in a team for 3 years plus. Now, Tingwen's the example, right? The Pirates, when they won the double treble, they had Urud Kroll. The first 2 seasons, he didn't win any trophy. The third season, they won their first treble. Then he left. The following season, because they had a proper structure, they won the double treble. Now, manje, or last season, Jose Rivero was his last season, his third season. He laid the foundation for the team. That's why manje, Pirates, they are there contesting a league, Sundowns. Going to Sundowns, Coach Pitso was at Sundowns for 7.5 years, right? 7.5 years. He laid the foundation. Even when he left, Sundowns still continued to win a league. The fans of the Kaizer Chiefs, can they wait 2 years, 2 years plus without winning anything? My answer is no. They can't wait. They are not patient. And food. I'm not saying it's wrong for them to be impatient, right? I'm not saying it is wrong, but you need patience to build something that's great. The reason why Niti they can't, it's here, it's in front of us. You have these two coaches who took over from Unabi. Kaizer Chiefs, when last did they have a great start in the league? When did they have a great start in the league? I can tell you, it's when Coach Minindo was the coach, and that was when 2019, 2020. That's how long it goes. But they had a great start in the league. There was progress from last year to this season. But Martin, what about food? You understand? So yes, there is progress in the team. Yes, angeke bawine a trophy, but winning a trophy does not mean that you are making progress as a club. I-trophy ingakubhayizisi, guys. I-trophy inganibhayizisi because structurally you have to move in a certain way. The second reason is management. Can management give them financial support? Those four coaches, can management give them financial support? If sifuna play so, let's say Undlovu from Golden Arrows, if Golden Arrows sifuna 10 million, can they financially support the coach to say, okay, now we are going to get Undlovu? And this thing of going to sign a player, nikhulume nama-parents, nikhulume nabogogo, bathengele igroza. No, that recruitment structure bafethu esakudala. Players want money, these teams want money. That structure of recruitment esakudala siphelile, and it needs to change. Another support, right, that these coaches need is when it comes to fans, masebati the coach must go. Can they support the coach? Can they support the coach to say, no, this coach is not going anywhere? Example, Sundowns, when they wanted Coach Peter to go. I don't know if some of you remember, but management said, no, this guy is not going anywhere. What happened to Sundowns? The beginning of the season, bekunamahemhem ukuthi ama-fans we-Pirates afuna ukushaya ucoach. I-management ye-Pirates yahlala. So now, that's the support that these coaches need. The problem ye-management ye-Chiefs, they listen to ama-fans too much. Every time when ama-fans we-Chiefs athi this coach must go, or balahlela itulo or bayenzani, they make a decision and fire the coach. Just think about Uminindop. A lot of fans were saying Uminindop must go when the league was still on because he was not playing the type of football. What happened at the end of the season? The Chiefs yamreleasa ngeparty they were banned by FIFA to sign players. Balanda banu uGordon Nigel. Now, not uGordon Nigel, sorry, Kevin Hunt. Kevin, what happened? They were out of the top 8. Imagine the previous season, you almost won the league. You almost won the league. It's only 15 minutes. And then the following season, you put number 9, number 10. And the third reason, 40, is the third reason why these coaches won't succeed, who Kaizer Chiefs, is they need full control. Think full control, but major control on who comes in, who goes out, right? Go back to Coach Peter or Coach Rulani, Coach Benny, in their previous jobs, right? They wanted certain players to come in the team. Coach Peter, there was a technical director or a sporting director at Sundowns, yafika yahamba, because they couldn't work together. Urulane, same thing. Rumors, same thing with Uflemingberg. Can the Chiefs give full support or banikeze these coaches with no? Okay, you pick who you want. You pick all the players that you want. Release these players. Come take this one. Can they do that? Already there's rumors ukuthi kuyaliwa laphaya in the family in terms of ubani ufuna ukusayina lo, ubani ufuna ukusayina lo. Now imagine you have big characters ezifana njengabo Coach Peter in the team, a coach that will demand ukuthi no, mina I want this player, I want that player. That's why that's my reasons ukuthi why these coaches won't succeed with Chiefs. Not because they are not good coaches, right? It's not easy to build a winning formula. It is not easy. It takes a lot. Even the fans have to be in sync with the management, with the coaches. That was my 2 cents. I know Guti, some of you won't agree. And it's a good thing, Vel Guti, you won't agree, right? We won't agree with my opinion. It's a good thing. That's why we love esports. But tell me in the comments, Guti, what do you think will happen?